Welcome back to my new tutorial. That is, here we are going to discuss about foreign key. In previous video we talked about primary key, super key and candidate key. So what is foreign key over here? It is an attribute in a table which is used to define its relationship with another table. That means it creates a link of one table with another table. We use the foreign key when we have to join the tables, two tables, okay, fine. So it creates a link. You can say here foreign key creates a link between two tables, fine. So next is it helps to maintain data integrity. The main use of foreign key is that it maintains the data integrity for tables in relationship. Okay, so let's see how it works. We will take one example and let's understand that. Okay, so just suppose I am having here one table here. Okay, this is my one table. Okay, explain you here. Now just suppose you want to insert any data in this table, in employee table. Okay, just suppose there is one person is coming, okay, who is saying whose employee ID is 4 and employee name is D and department number is 40. Okay, so now what will happen? Will the database allow to add on this entry? Let's see here. See, we have in primary key, in our parent table, we have only 3 entries here: 10, 20, 30. 40 is not existing here. So 40 number department number is not here. So you cannot enter, database will not allow to add on that entry over here, okay, which department number is not existing in the parent table. Okay, so that means it will discard this entry. It will not allow to enter the create a one more record here because this is not existing in this column. Clear? Now one thing is this. Now see, just suppose if the person is coming whose department number is whose department number is 30. Okay, so what will happen? So this foreign key will refer to this table and it will check for this 30 number department number, 10, 20, 30. Here it find the 30. Okay, it will allow to add this entry because this 30 is existing over here. 30 number department is existing here. Okay, whatever is existing, it will allow you to add. But the table, the entry, the department number that is not existing in the parent table, it will not allow you, database will not allow you to add that entry here. Clear? Now, next thing is here. Now this is foreign key is referencing this table. Okay, so this will be known as refer table, referred one. Okay, because it is referencing this table. So what is this? This will be known as reference table. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you, what we are trying to do with the help of primary key and foreign key. See, we are joining these two columns, these two tables over here, okay, so that we can maintain the data integrity. Okay, so whatever is existing in the parent table, that only you can add on, that only you can do the modification over here in the child table. Okay, fine. So let's understand more with one more example here. Okay, let's make one more example that will So let's create a branch table here and add the few records in this table. Okay, and then after that, so you can see here, this is my branch table. Okay, I am adding branch code, branch name and HOD. So I have written the branch code also, branch name also. Okay, and after that I will write the HODs. Okay, now we will create another table. Okay, that is student table, SID. The branches would be their SID. Okay, and next will be your register ID, and next will be your name, then branch code. Okay, here we will also doing entering the records over here. Fine, you can see the records. I am simply randomly entering, doing that. Okay, so now let's see here. There are important things. So here I have the two tables, branch table and student table. Okay, so now again we have to make the primary key. Okay, because to if we have to create a foreign key, then we have to obviously we have to make primary key first. Just suppose I am making this branch code as my primary key, this branch code, okay, as my primary key. Now if I am making this primary key, then definitely here branch code is going to be the foreign key. Okay, this is going to be the foreign key. Clear? Now see, in this you cannot repeat the entries. Okay, you cannot enter the duplicate data over here. Fine, but here we can have the duplicate data. Okay, we can have the duplicate data. Suppose one more create here. Just suppose for CS 2020 37, and here is ABC CS. So this can be, we can have the duplicate data in foreign key, but here we cannot have. Okay, now the concept is, whenever we have to do the entry, okay, whenever I have to do the entry, now just I have added this one, I have added this entry right now. So what this will do, it will refer the primary key here. Okay, it will refer the primary key here in this table, that is it existing, this CS computer science branch code is existing here. Yes, it is existing here. Then it will allow to write down or enter the data here. Fine, it will allow to add on the record over here. Fine, if it is not existing, then database will create an error. Okay, then database will create error if not existing. Clear? Fine. This is how you can reference the foreign key to the parent table. Okay. Now there was concept of updating and deleting an entry. Okay. See, you can insert the data. Okay, you can insert the data here, okay, in the parent table. Fine, but you cannot insert directly to the student table. Okay, if you are updating this table, this branch parent table, then you have to update the child table also. Clear? Then you have to update the child table also. Now there is a concept of delete. Okay, two concepts are here, insert and delete. See, if you want to delete the data from this parent table, if you want to delete, suppose you want to delete this entry from here, this one, okay, fine, but you cannot do that because this entry is existing in child table, in student table. Okay, here it is existing, you cannot delete it. Clear? But here you can delete the entry. Okay, here you can delete the entry because it is existing here. So we have two concepts, find update and delete. Update means if you are updating this table, okay, then you have to update the child table also. Okay, if you want to delete something from here, you cannot delete it because you have to check. It will not allow you to delete, because suppose this entry you want to delete, this one ME branch code you want to delete, okay, then you have to check if this code is existing in this table, then database will not allow you to delete it. Clear? So this is all what about the foreign key. It helps us to maintain the data integrity. This is how it helps us to maintain the data integrity. Okay, because nobody can easily delete, nobody can easily update the entries over here. Okay, fine. So let's simply check the key features. Okay, let's see here. Key features. Fine. So here is first is uniqueness. Uniqueness. So here is my primary key, here is my foreign key. Uniqueness, yes, here is uniqueness, but here you can repeat the entries, you can see. Okay, now number 2 is number 2 is duplicacy. You cannot duplicate the data in primary key, but here you can do. Okay, so here will be no, here will be yes. Okay, next is my third one is number of keys. Primary key only be the one. Okay, we can have only one primary key in our table. Look here, here we can have only one primary key, but foreign key we can have more than one. Okay, so here we can have only one, here more than one. Clear? More than one. Now next is the thing is insert. You can insert here, okay, but you cannot do here. You cannot insert directly here. Fine. Parent, you have to update the parent table first, then you have to update this. Now next is delete. From here you cannot delete, okay, if it is existing here, but here you can delete. Fine. Okay, now next is keywords. Keywords, here we use only primary key, and here we use reference or referred. Okay, is left here, that is null. Okay, that is null. Null means empty. Okay, that means you cannot leave the empty cell here, empty record here in the primary key. Okay, this is also the important constant of primary key. So this is applied here. Okay, but you can leave over here. You can set it to, you can set null in the foreign key. That means what I am trying to say you, suppose in this table here it is having the primary key and I am leaving this blank. Okay, I am leaving this record blank. So this primary key will not allow me to leave this blank. Okay, until unless I will not do the entry here, it will not let me move forward. So I have to enter the value over here. Clear? So these are the key features that I have discussed here: uniqueness, duplicacy, number of keys, insert, delete, keyword and null. Fine, I hope it is clear to you. In the next video, we will talk about insert, delete, update, okay, in foreign key. Fine, it will be more clear to you through one more example. Thank you.